If you are hearing this on Sunday, it is not an accident. This message has been traveling toward you through timing, through chance, through unseen currents, and until it found its way into your hands, your ears, your heart. You didn't just stumble here. Something brought you here. Because Sunday is not just a day, it is an opening, a pulse point, a rare moment where the invisible and the visible meet in a way that can change everything for you. Most people will pass through Sunday unaware. They'll carry the same energy they've been dragging all week, thinking of it as nothing more than the last day before Monday. They will feel nothing shift. But you are not most people. You are here because some part of you, conscious or not, has already felt the tremors, already sensed that something is building, that there is weight and light gathering in the same space, waiting for the right moment to pour through. Even now, before Sunday arrives, you've been receiving the early signals, the restless sleep, the way you wake at the same time in the night, over and over. The numbers repeating 111 222 717, showing up in places you don't expect. The strange way you think of a person and then hear their name later that day. The conversations that seem to echo exactly what's been on your mind. These are not random. They are alignment signals. The universe whispers before it delivers. It checks to see if you are listening before it hands you the message in full. And Sunday is the day when those whispers turn into a voice you cannot ignore. Across cultures, Sunday has always been a day of power. It is the day when cycles overlap, the closing of one, the opening of another. It carries the vibration of clarity, light, and spiritual reset. It is a day when the mind quiets just enough for the heart to be heard. And this Sunday, the current is stronger. The air will hold a different weight. The timing of events will carry more precision. Every choice, every thought, every conversation will echo louder into your future. But here's the truth. Sunday will meet you exactly where you are. If you arrive heavy with doubt, distracted, unprepared, the moment will slip past. If you arrive steady, expectant, and aligned, the door will swing wide open. So preparation starts now. And preparation is not frantic action, it is deliberate alignment. From this moment until Sunday, carry yourself like someone who has already received what they have been asking for. Not in desperate pretending, but in calm certainty. Walk into each room like you belong there. Speak as if the outcome you want is inevitable. Protect your thoughts like they are gold, because they are. One wrong thought repeated can lower your frequency. One right thought repeated can open the way. Clear a space in your environment. A drawer, a shelf, a corner of your wallet. Physical space is symbolic. It tells the unseen that you are ready for something new to land. This is not superstition, it is resonance. Your outer space reflects your inner readiness. Between now and Sunday, limit what drains you. Stay away from arguments. Let go of conversations that pull you backward. You are holding a flame, and until Sunday arrives, you are shielding it from the wind. When Sunday morning comes, do not rush into noise. Do not touch your phone the moment you wake. Lie there for a moment and feel your breath. Place your hand over your heart until you can feel the beat steady beneath your palm, and then whisper, "I am in perfect alignment for my breakthrough." Say it again. Say it until the words stop feeling like words and start feeling like truth. In your mind's eye, see what you've been asking for. Not far away, not someday. here. Now see it so vividly you could reach out and touch it. Feel the relief of it, the gratitude of it, the way your body feels when you know you are supported. As you move through the day, be guided by your nudges. If you feel the pull to speak to someone, speak. If you feel drawn to take a different route, follow it. If a symbol, a phrase, a song seems to follow you, acknowledge it out loud. The more you respond to the signs, the more they multiply. Sunday will not shout. It will whisper in alignment. And your role is to listen. By the time the sun sets, something will have shifted. For some, it will be visible. A payment, an opportunity, an invitation, a yes where you expected a no. For others, it will be an internal click, a deep knowing that the wheel has turned and you are on a new road now. Either way, the energy will have moved, and from there, it will gather speed. If you are still here, this is your confirmation. You were meant to hear this. Type it in the comments now. I'm stepping into my aligned Sunday. Not as a wish, not as a maybe, as a declaration, as a signal to the universe that you are ready and present. Sunday is not the end, it is the ignition, a wave that will carry you further than effort alone ever could. But you must arrive tuned in, ready to ride it. So prepare. Hold the vision. Protect your frequency. And when Sunday comes, walk into it like every single thing you've been asking for is already in the room, waiting for you. Because it is. And listen closely now, because there is one more layer to this that most will miss. The power of Sunday doesn't end when the day ends. The choices you make on Sunday set the tone for the week, the month, sometimes the whole season ahead. Think of it as planting a seed in the most fertile soil. Whatever you plant that day will grow faster and stronger. So choose carefully. Speak only what you want to see grow. Spend your energy only where you want more to return. Act as if you are already walking in your answered prayer. Sunday is a big day, but it will only be as big as your alignment allows it to be. The universe is not testing you, it is matching you, and if you show up ready, it will match you with more than you expected. So this is your moment, this is your window. Step into it and watch what happens next. And when it does happen, when the sign appears, when the moment arrives, when you feel the shift in your chest before you see it with your eyes, pause. Let it land. Take a deep breath and acknowledge it in full. Say thank you, not just with your words, but with the way you carry yourself after. Because gratitude locks the door open. It tells the universe you are not just a receiver of blessings, you are a keeper of them. And here is the truth that will serve you far beyond this Sunday. The energy you meet on that day is a mirror. If you meet it with trust, it will show you more to trust. If you meet it with doubt, it will feed you more questions. So hold your certainty like a flame you refuse to let the wind touch. Sunday will not just be a day you pass through. It can be the day that passes through you, leaving you forever changed. And weeks from now, you may look back and realize, this was the day everything began to move.